Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you just another Dino token. It's LTC, Litecoin targets updates with my customer set. What's going on now? Let's dive in. Guys, I don't think so the LTC will hit the new all-time high, but it's possible. A lot of tokens like, for example, Bitcoin, it's Dino token also. Ethereum, I guess, will hit the new all-time high. XRP already hit it. I'm more than sure IOTA will not, but LTC got a chance, form like three drives pattern, hit this top again. But it's hard to say. It's hard to say now because, maybe it was a 1, 2, 3 tops, right? Some people talk about, so if it was a global bottom, right, we form it another bottom and we have to skyrocket like over the $1,000. Maybe, guys, we can't know. I'm not a fan of all these classic patterns because if you want to find some bullish pattern, you will find it. If you need to find some bearish pattern, you will just click to another time frame and we'll find out. What I can tell you, guys, this is a chart on the Binance, what I analyze it. This is a global one. And on global, I will show you with indicators, more clearly, because it's a longer chart, bigger history. So we'll double check how it playing out in history. On the Binance, it's since December 17, right? And if we count, this is absolutely the same chart. What I drew, I don't know, in 2023. I highly recommend you go and check the main Bullish plan for this token. First of all, here, top, support, bounce, and consolidation inside 27 block. This chart remind me the chart of chain link, and now here monthly time frame, global target at least guys, it's 265. This one, it's 0.5 level by FIP of this global one FIP. We bounce it perfectly well from the monthly time frame by line in April 2025. It will be this liquidity pool here to break it. And monthly gap 153, 182. Now this is a moment in the market where nobody believe in not a pump. I don't like this word, nobody believe in uptrend. We traded here over than 1,000 days. Take a look, and now it's like a behavior, for the people here. This one like 917, and after that we come back and retest it over than 1,000 days. We're just in the chop zone, so it's like a range 125 and I don't know, $40. Imagine 1,000 days. It's over than, I guess, around 3 years. Every single day we just double check the chart, and every single time we know how it ended. So talking the pump it, going to uptrend on the local time frames, and after that drop. And now it's like a behavior in your mind, so we can't move. Another like cat bounce and the drop, and only after that I will accumulate. Guys, you will never catch the right moment, the right bottom, exactly that second when you press, the press buy. We never come back to that low. No, guys, you accumulate an average, so that's okay. No DCA, just in average. 1, 2, 3 orders. You feel it? And I forgot about this token if we talk about investment. And wait. So the months yearly open 103, 104, 103 and 40 cents. It will be the first trouble area. Locally, yes, on the weekly, looks like we formed this type of double bottom. The size of this double bottom will be exactly $187. I believe. Anyway, sooner or later we have to change the trend. If we check this one, so this is bullish or bearish. Should we go like this one again to sweep these liquidity pools? I'm not sure. So basically the direction can be like this one, and 300s, the round number can be the top for this token. If we go higher, something crazy happening, with the market. So liquidity inflow from BTC into alts, and this will be the super cycle like everybody talk about. 595. So this is a final top probably for Litecoin. Based on this chart, it can be, I don't know, 470. If we talk about timing, I showed you, so let's say here, January, December, November. So imagine This is just November 25. Should be here at 466. Honestly, just hard to imagine. If we talk about, for example, the March, April, around here, 471, like a test of this downtrend line, maybe. That's why I'm not sure about 1.61 low above 594.95, but it's possible. So if you wait some crazy gains, so this is it, 531%. If we talk about the last cycle for the Litecoin, it was here, the COVID dump and the top. So the performance was like during the bull run, during the crazy altcoin season, guys, since the COVID dump to the top, 1,600% gains. It was the end of cycle. Why do people now wait some biggest gains? I don't know. If we talk about the $595 1.61 level fee, it's possible to see 1,300 or 400% gains from the bottom to the top, to the new all-time high. But sometimes, guys, what I realized, we form, half movements of this gains in the next cycles, and maybe we're gonna stop around 300 and 350. 50% of this gains, this cycle, 893%. So it's possible, guys, to see global trend. Yes, of course, I don't believe we're gonna drop once again to $38. No, I'm more bullish, because it's it's possible, but it's too long. We're in accumulation. Anyway, the whales need to distribute their bags. For what they accumulate their bags? For distribution. That's why the trouble areas, guys, yearly open, local one. After that, test of monthly gap, 153, 182, 286. It's 0.5 level FEEP, 300. And at 300, for example, 265, we have to take a look at the timing and the BTC dominance. I explained it to you already. If here, for example, the BTC dominance will be around 50% or 45%, it will be the time to out of LTC. For sure, they can bring us some crazy rumors, some crazy news, like in 2021, they like accidentally post the Walmart now started accept the LTC, but it was on the next day, it was just a fake news. Kind of weird. So here, this is one crazy possible case scenarios, guys. If we talk about the global charts, absolutely the same story. Monthly time frame, take profit line 119.997, $119.97. Exit line 134. Monthly gap, liquidity pool. So I'm more than sure, guys, we're gonna hit $300, right? But LTC kind of heavy, and it's hard to push the price higher. We need some narrative, we need some hype, and some old tokens, will not perform like crazy. This was a accumulation on a monthly time frame, accumulation on a monthly time frame, 2022, 2023, pump. Now, no time, and no signals to out of the LTC. Market mood still in disbelief. We need to see something like this one. Got it on the monthly. If we talk even about a weekly, here, accumulation, the main accumulation was here between $51 and 48. April 2022, October 2022, main accumulation, capitulation zone. After that, they bought it back more, and now logically to see the distribution at 300. Imagine the hype around 300. I'm more than sure everybody gonna scream, and we're going to 500 to 600 to 1,000, confirm it, and all of this stuff. It will be not a trap, it will be just a logical exit. Don't be exit liquidity this time. Sell, buy back, sell, buy back. So the road is open now, or to yearly and some tiny consolidation September, October, or now in June, August consolidation and continuation September, October. Money inflow was here in March. Here, money outflow, now in the middle, no money outflow. Capitulation, of course, guys, we can go and be delisted from all exchanges. It's possible, dump to close the monthly gaps. But guys, you can open the chart of BTC at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. There's a lot of monthly gaps. That's why, guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment, what do you think about LTC? If you like to trade with my customer, Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.